What it do, gang? It's your boy Blackie Stone, and I am back with another video. First things first, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really helps me reach that 1,000 subscriber goal that I have for myself within the next 6 months. Help me get there, guys. Once you find value within this video, make sure you hit that like button. Yeah, go ahead, it's free. Hit that like button. It really helps this video and any other video that I drop on the channel get out into YouTube's algorithm. With that being said, guys, hey, we'll be right back right after this dope intro. Break! Sound is often forgotten in video production. However, sound is just as important as good quality footage. Your audience might forgive you because of blurry or out of focus images. However, if they can't hear you, how can they focus on what you're saying? How can they become engaged in your presentation? 80% of your information comes from sound. It comes from your audio. So without audio, how can your presentation, how can your message come across to your audience? Imagine watching your favorite TV program or even the 10 o'clock news, and all you hear in the background is a fan blowing, your air conditioning blowing, trains going to and fro, cars blowing their horns. How long would you be listening to that information? Sometimes amateur videos, this is what you hear in the background. These are distractions to the listeners. That's why here on Blackie Stone TV, we constantly try to make improvements to the channel. And we have done it again, guys. We just took delivery. Well, not exactly. We've been using this tool for some time now within the last 2 or 3 videos. However, it's time to address what we brought to the channel. It is the VideoMicro from Rode. The mic is good but not great. And whether or not you like it or not really is going to depend on the specific reason why you made this purchase. Most people use this VideoMicro from Rode just so that they don't have to use the in-body mic from your DSLR or mirrorless camera. They want to use an outside source for better quality audio. The microphone itself is lightweight and can be attached to any DSLR or mirrorless camera by way of the hot shoe mount. The microphone itself is not powered by anything. It doesn't have to use any rechargeable batteries. It doesn't have to use an auxiliary battery. We have a few things in this box that is very useful. And of course, what we're going to have is the microphone itself. We're going to have a suspension mount that holds the microphone. We're going to have a 3.5 millimeter output jack so that it can plug right into your camera for audio, as well as an attachment for the hot shoe mount or a cold shoe mount. You also get a dead cat. Now this furry creature will muffle any sound. It's going to help with those P's, those S's that you may put inside the microphone. It's going to muffle all that sound, giving you a better audio sound, a clearer audio sound. And that's what you really want. The only con that I can think of, guys, is the fact that straight out the box, the microphone audio is not that great. However, up to this point in the video, I have not readjusted any sound quality. What do you guys think? Write down in the comments below. How do you think the audio sounds? Especially at a price point of what we paid for this video microphone at $69 compared to some microphones that are on a different level. What do you guys think about this microphone? So how do we get a budget-friendly microphone to sound something like a professionally sounded audio mic? Well, 1, get your microphone as close to the audio source as possible. Use a boom pole to hover right above your video so that it's not in frame, but at the same time, the boom is directed to the audio source. Or use a jack stand, a mic stand, to be right underneath your audio source. The point is, get that microphone as close to the audio source as possible so that you can get a clear sound. Be aware of your environment that you're in. If you're in a location with a lot of chatter, go to a location with less chatter. If you can control it, ask the people that are talking to lower their voice or even close the door to seclude yourself. Once you find an environment with low noise, I advise you, take off the dead cat. By taking off the dead cat from the boom microphone, you're going to get an unobstructed view or directional view straight toward that boom so that your audio will come across a whole lot clearer. To make sure that your audio is coming across clear, do test checks. Microphone test check 1, microphone test check 2, microphone test check 3. Review it. If it sounds good during review, then it's going to sound good during post-production. Lastly, guys, to make sure that this microphone, that this budget-friendly microphone comes across clear, just be yourself. Once you press record on this microphone, talking to yourself is like, it's a different experience, guys. And because of that experience, a lot of times what we start doing is mumbling our words, not taking our time when we speak. We start to stutter at times. I do it as well. This may take maybe 1 to 5 takes before you finally say, yeah, that's the take that I want for video production. All of these things combined will help with this budget-friendly microphone come across to the audience as if it's the most expensive audio tool that you can buy on the planet. Remember, audio is very important. It's 80% of video production. That's how very important audio is. 80%, guys. 80% out of 100. So in review, guys, audio is so important for the progression in the channel. Let's review some of those bullet points that we just discussed. Microphone position, making sure that microphone is close to the audio source itself, either by a hand jack or a boom jack right out of frame. Background noise, make sure that you're in a quiet place. Test your sound levels and review your audio before production. This is a key to good audio coming across to your audience so that they can remain engaged. Lastly, guys, speak clearly. Make sure that your sound source is relaxed. Make sure that they're relaxed. Let them know that what they say is something that the audience wants to hear. Remind them, pace, pitch, and power is a key to fluent speakers. And in order to have that, you have to be relaxed. With that being said, guys, again, we are trying to improve on our channel. We're trying to get better, making sure that our source material gets across to the audience, making sure that our viewers can really appreciate the information that we are putting out there. If you found value in the video, guys, make sure that you like it. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. It really helps me get out there in the world, guys. It really helps me get out there in the world. And by you liking the video, it really helps me. That being said, guys, I'm not going to take up too much more of your time. Hey, it's your boy, Blackie Stone, and I am out. Peace, love, and respect. Gang.